Hey guys, Glen Online. How are you? Hope you're doing great. It is late on a Saturday night, but it's okay because it was a busy day. All right, today is how to make a six-figure sales funnel and the four top programs to promote that I found you could do. And there's probably other ones out there, but I really can see all four of these producing an easy six-figure funnel. And what's cool about them, you could actually kind of combine them, which is really nice because there's ways to use them and you can make multiple streams of income. So if you like videos on how to make money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and let's get into it. So what's a sales funnel? What's a six-figure sales funnel? A sales funnel is just basically an automated way to make sales. I was just talking to someone. I was just on my walk, and someone was messaging me about, they had opted into one of my programs, and they're like, okay, so what do I do next? I go, well, all the instructions are there. You just have to follow the instructions. And guys, this is where so many people get bogged down. You don't want to have to be explaining things because you probably won't do a very good job. Let the programs work. Your job is to get people to that program. Let the program do the work, right? You can support people, right? The best way to support them is to go point them back to information in the program. Just like in a network marketing company, point them back to the information. Don't try to take it on yourself and solve their problem. Like if there's a customer support thing, you direct them. This is where customer support is, right? If they have a question on how to set up something, you direct them to where the training video is that is, right? Because when you do that, you're showing them how to teach their downline to do the same thing. So how do you get to a six-figure sales funnel? So basically, you need people there. You need to get people into it. And guys, think about it. Six figures is pretty easy. It's $300 a day. If you can generate $300 a day, you are making a six-figure income. So how do you do that? Maybe you're already at a job that you're generating, $150, $160 a day, right? That's your job. So you could technically do this part-time and just bring in another $140. So these four programs, they just need a couple of affiliates under you, and then you help them get their affiliates, and you will get that residual income coming, right? Because when I say that $300 a day, you might have a $500 day, you might have a $100 day, you might have a 0 day, you might have a $600 day. So, but the average needs to be that $300 a day to get to six figures, right? So in real estate, we easily did six figures. Well, the top producers, which I did for years, you got to six figures quite easily, but you weren't making 300 a day. You would go like 2 months and then you'd close three deals and you'd get paid $45,000, right? Or whatever it is. Maybe one deal was 8,000, maybe one deal was 15,000, maybe one deal was 20,000, or whatever it is, right? Like that's how it is. But you weren't making the 300 a day. But when you averaged it out, you're making $300 or $400 a day. That's what the average is. So what are the four main programs? I don't want to get into like, a lot of people are like, oh, they need to know all the nuts and bolts of it. Use when you find the right programs, use what they have. The only thing that you have to change is sort of the intro of how you're introducing people to it, because you want your face to be part of that, right? So or maybe you don't. Maybe you want to be totally behind the background. In the background, you just want to send people to the links. There's a couple things that are really, really important. Number one, make sure that you're getting the list, right? Because if you don't, let me step back. Let me sort of go back, because there's a couple things about the four programs that I talk about that are really important. One is that you build your own list in it. And that's key to me. A program has to be able to allow me to build my own list, or I won't do that program. I need to build my list, because if you don't own your traffic in the long run, because that's the goal, right? You want to own your traffic. That's where the money is. So it could take you a while to ramp up to own your traffic, but that is where the money is, owning your own traffic. So whatever program you're doing, you want to make sure that you're collecting that leads information prior to them going into the program. It's so important, and so many people don't do that. They just send it to they go find something to promote. They send them directly to the link, and goodbye to that lead. You can't send emails to them. The company takes over. They're sending emails to them. Maybe you get a sale, or maybe they stop promoting that. Now they've got this list. They promote something new. Are you going to get paid for it? No, you're not going to get paid for it. So that's really important. So, so how do you, why is it so important, or like, why is it so important to own your list? Let's just talk about that for a second. So when you start out, you're going to have active traffic and you're going to have passive traffic. There's two ways to make passive traffic. One is you have a large email list that you press send, you write a note and you send it to them, and you basically make them an offer. Or two, you've created enough content online, whether a YouTube channel or a blog, where people are finding your information and then you're directing them, or maybe there's an ad below, or maybe you have a blog and you have an ad, or maybe you're talking about something in the blog and it's like, oh, if you want to learn more, you can click here, that kind of thing. That's passive, right? And you want to be always building that. And this is where another thing where people don't do it. They don't build. Like, yesterday I just put up another affiliate marketing blog piece, right? And it's easy to do. You can buy the content, right? You can get someone to write it for you, or you can buy content and you just adjust it to make it a little bit original, and then put it up there. So that's passive. Active income, what you're going to be focusing on when you first start, is buying solo ads. I don't recommend doing Facebook ads or Google ads or YouTube ads or Bing ads right at the beginning. I really recommend focusing on solo ads, and traffic exchanges, virals, mailers, those kind of things. Get that traffic going. Start building a list. You want to kind of get to about 10,000 people on your list as fast as possible, because guys, the average is $1 per person per month is what your list is worth, right? So if you have 10,000 people on your list can generate, I'm not going to say it's going to guarantee it's going to generate, can generate $10,000 a month if you're actively promoting to your list. But you have to be active. You can't go, oh, I send an email once every 3 weeks. People are they're not interested, right? You have to keep them engaged. And this is the secret to it. So before I end this video, I want to get into the 4 programs that I'm going to talk to. I'm going to try to get through them. If not, I have them in order below. These are the 4 programs. And why I'm going to show you the number 1 is so great is because it pays multiple ways. It pays 100% commission. It pays multiple ways. It pays direct. It actually has a kind of a binary component to it. So it pays just like an affiliate program, but it has a binary part of it that you don't have to really worry about, but you get paid on it. So you get matching check bonuses and you get this binary pay, right? So it's a brilliant system. So, and why I like it is that it's basically a software suite, and that's all you're promoting, a software suite, but the training in it is so great. So let me just show you quickly how easy it is to promote. So right now, because they're in a launch sequence. Let me make sure I don't have audio on. I did the other day. No, there's no audio going. Okay, that thing pops up and says, no, you have audio going. Okay, so right now, because it's called Now Lifestyle, and because they're in sort of a relaunch, or they've basically gone completely digital. So this is 100% around the world. Doesn't matter where you are, they will get, if you make commissions, they will get your check. So right now they have 3 links that you can promote. There's an early bird list funnel, there's an early bird sales page, and then this one I just did a solo ad on, work from home funnel. And basically you can, so the thing is, when you get back here, you've got this whole suite, guys. You've got the digital products. You get an autoresponder, you get a landing page builder, you have an authority website builder, you have a conference room, and you have video streaming. You have actually high def video streaming thing. It's brilliant, guys. This is a brilliant program. So work from home, this is basically what it is. And this is what you'd be sending out to people to get onto your list. What's so great about it is that you get to collect all those leads in your back office. What's really cool is that they make it a way for you to track all your progress. So what's cool is, guys, why I like this program, these leads are yours. So they show you the whole funnel system, right? You can create a tracker. I've got some different trackers there, Udemy, and basically that's, and then this is the link that you're going to be promoting, right? Okay, so now you're going, well, what do I send? What do I do, right? Well, right here we have ad copy. They've even provided for us. So you could actually go over to Udemy, which is where what I recommend going and buying solo ads. And I'll put the link below. The link will be down there. Basically, you just copy and paste one of these, put your link in, right? Put this link in. You could put a tracker on it, like they show you how to do the tracker. And if you have any issues, guys, the training videos is right here for anything. That's why I love this program. And again, this one pays 100% commission, and it pays on so many levels. So that is my favorite one right now. Let's see, where are we at time-wise? Okay, so the other three are basically very, very similar. They're more education, but all of these guys, they all pay residual. Okay, so number 2 is something called Legendary Marketer, which I love. It has multiple components in it. It's you can be an affiliate there for $30. You can make $1,000 commissions. It's brilliant. Just tons of training. They tell you step by step how to do it. Number 3 is a program called Mlsp, My Lead System Pro. This is really marketing training for network marketers. Again, it's a monthly residual income that you get. You get people under you. People have made there's $1 million earners. Almost every top marketer that you see out there has gone through Mlsp and is probably still getting money from their Mlsp links if they've made it up in the ranks. And the 4th one is what a lot of people love, is Clickfunnels. And I put a 14-day free trial there for you guys to go do it. And that has in itself an amazing high ticket funnels, and it's a funnel builder, right? So all 4 of these programs, guys, can easily make you supplement your income that you have right now and get you to that magic $300 a day income. And guys, these are the 4 best programs. Now below that, I've put a couple more little links you can check out, but all this stuff, guys, all of them have like free trials. You can try it, you can test drive it. They all have money back guarantee. So go look at all 4 of them, or look at 2 of them, or whatever floats your fancy. But I would definitely sign up for all 4 of them and take a look through them. You don't have to do them, right? Look at them, see which one resonates with you, and then go through the training, and they will show you exactly how to promote it. Go down and grab the traffic that I recommend and get started today, guys. You can get this, you can get going today. You can set these things up and get going and driving traffic. And there's lots of places to get traffic. But that's it in a nutshell, guys. You just have to get to that magic $300 a day. Follow the instructions. Let the programs do the work. Our job is to get people into the program. That's our job. We need to get people to sign up to the program, and then we need to morally support them. We're not there to technically support them, and we're not there to do customer service. We're there to morally support them. We say, yes, you can do this. Yes, absolutely, you can do it. Just follow the instructions. Go back and watch the training again. Absolutely. Did you set this up? No? Well, go back and watch the training how to set that up. But don't do it for them, guys, because they will never learn, and then they will never be able to replicate that, right? They'll be like, oh, I could never do that. I don't know how to teach people. But you can teach people how to point and say, go there and do this. How do you do it? I'm not sure, but all I did was watch the video, and I kind of figured it out. That's it. All right, guys, have a great night. Make sure you hit subscribe. I'll put another video. There'll be a video in the description that says watch next. It's more of an in-depth description of Now Lifestyle. In it, guys, if you're going to do any of them, do Now Lifestyle. Become a platinum reseller. That's the ticket. You get paid on all levels with that. And the product is top notch, A1. They have weekly, or they have 3 webinars a week to help you. They have everything going on. It's a brilliant program. All right, guys. Cheers.